Hello guys. Uh, Today I am going to teach you about the manufacturing organization and the service organization. There are mainly two kinds of organization we found around us. So what are the differences between these two types of organization? About that I am going to tell you. And these two organizations, nature and their output both are different. Structure also different. Nature, structure and output. All these are different. And in examination many times questions are from this service organization and manufacturer organization. Questions are. So I have point out on this board and one by one we discussed. Tangible product. In manufacturer organization, what product it produced? They had their particular shape, color, size, etc. And we can say that one as tangible product. Manufacturing process organizations always produced tangible product. And service organization, just they provide the service that is not tangible. They have no that the shape, particular shape, size and weight. They are not tangible, they are intangible. Okay, so intangible product are produced by service organization. And next, capital intensive. Mainly manufacturing organizations, it is geared by capital. If capital is not there, we cannot run manufacturing organization. So capital play very important role. So in an organization, different production factors are there. Out of them, one of the production factor is capital, and manufacturing organizations cannot run without capital. So we can say it is capital intensive. Service organization is not capital intensive, it is labor intensive. And labor play very important role and they provide different kinds of services. If labor factor is not there, then service organization cannot run smoothly. The next one, manufacturing organization, that the location, layout, okay, we found inside the factory. So inside the factory there are machinery, layout of the machinery, and then they produce goods, different finished goods they produced. Okay, because of that, mainly that the activities performed inside the factory. And the service organizations, mainly we found in hospital, college, and in different office. We found that the service organization. Output can be measurable. In the case of manufacturing organization, output we can measure very easily. How many products it produced, we can count. How many quintals of product it produced, how many packets of product it produced, that we can easily measure. But in the case of service organization, what kinds of service it provide, we cannot measure. That depends upon the satisfaction and goodwill. Okay, so satisfaction, goodwill, we cannot measure directly. And this manufacturing organization can produce very standard goods. They maintain certain quality of goods. So standardized product they produced. Out of that, manufacturing company cannot produce the product. And this service organization, what standard of service that the organization should provide, it is unknown. So, particular quality, particular standard is very difficult to identify in the case of the service organization. And in the case of manufacturer organization, low consumer contact is there. Consumer contact is very low. That means consumer cannot directly contact to the manufacturer company. But in service organization, that is very high. Consumer contact is very high. Without contact to the customer, we cannot provide services from service organization. So service organization is always that the customer contact very high. And production and consumption separate in time. So what quantity of product it produced within this much time. Scheduling is there, planning is there, okay, and then capacity is there. According to that, already scheduling and what output they should give in the market, and that is already fixed, that is already planned. But in the case of service organization, that is not. So how much service that the service organization should provide to the customer, it is not fixed. So schedule is there, but within this schedule, this much services should be provided, it is not compulsory. And high standardized product in the case of manufacturing company, and this is customized service. Service will be customized in the case of service organization. So these are the differences between manufacturing organization and service organization, and questions asked from this also. And so you keep all these points in your mind. Okay, thank you. That's all for today. Thank you.